Get fastest update on tech by tapping on subscribe and bell. For all those who were waiting for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is here, and this is officially Galaxy Z Fold 2. Samsung is going to use its future foldable phone with Z series, and this is going to have a more and more flexible for the smoothest experience of foldable phone. Samsung to use dual display in this phone, and the main featuring display is going to have a 120 Hz of refresh rate, and the front display for the communication information, and we are going to see a punch hole camera in the front of this phone. Samsung officially confirmed that the Samsung Galaxy Z2 Fold is going to have a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, which is going to use 5G spectrum. This phone is going to use the default theming of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series. As Samsung have decided the phone is going to the best of Samsung, so it is going to use the best in the market for customer satisfaction. We may able to see the Samsung's first 150 megapixel camera, as this camera really competes with the Huawei's P40 Pro camera series, and low light condition photography is the more competing with this, and we are going to see most of best photography with this phone. Keep watching our videos and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Keep liking.